Welcome back, everybody. This is Nyla. I'm here with Al, and today we're showing you a 1970 Pontiac GTO.
You know, this
What you
car
got,
is
Al?
kind of a weird one. For the simple fact now, this is a true numbers matching 400 big block motor, a true 4-speed, true factory black on a red car, original build sheet. So when we're done with this, let's take a picture of the actual build sheet that we have. But a paint job that's just second to none. It's probably 4 or 5 years old, but it looks wet, doesn't it? It looks like
For
a paint.
sure.
If you put your hand on it, would put your marking in it. But just all there, 2-owner car. It is a Hurst equipped. It is a 4-barrel, and I gotta tell you, this car drives as good as a new one. And you've never really heard me say that in our videos. But this car has that factory feel because it hasn't been completely torn apart. Mostly a survivor that they just did things to make it better. Can't wait to take you for a ride. Wood grain steering wheel, original stereo, just nice.
Love the red interior.
Yep, got the GM stickers and the tags in the door. But like I said, it has a full build sheet, the actual build sheet from General Motors. Isn't that nice?
Yeah, pristine.
Tires are new. They're only a couple years old, which is a big difference because sometimes these cars have 40-year-old tires on it.
Sure.
This one doesn't. Got the proper rims with the knockout centerpieces, tinted glass. The build sheet gives all the equipment that the car came with.
So that'll all be listed in the description below.
Yes.
Alrighty, we're gonna take it for a test drive. Stay tuned.
Nice little roller tour. Got the Hurst 4-speed transmission, power steering, power brake.
Nice too. It's nice.
This is the way she came. Headliner, sun visors, wood grain steering wheel, clutch pedal, gas pedal, carpeting, little console. So we'll take it around, really nice. The radio has been updated to a digital radio that looks like the radio that came with the car, but it's been updated digital. What a paint job though. I mean, just incredible. So we got the 400 4-barrel 4-speed. All your gauges work, temperature, gas gauge, generator lights, all that is all good. Here we go. Isn't that remarkable how smooth this is?
Absolutely.
So, one thing I like about the GTO in this year, especially the 70, it's a car that you don't see a whole bunch of.
Sure.
To get a car quality like this 70 Chevelle, you're looking at 100 and way over 100.
Yeah.
And here's a car that's basically the same platform that car is. Much more original because you don't see them all over the place.
Sure.
But it's a stick shift. That's the big thing. The 4-speed transmission. And she gets it.
Woo! Love it.
That's
So much more fun to drive, right?
I know, it's hard to stop. It's hard to stop. We passed the cop there too, did you see that?
No.
Yeah.
Oops.
Yep, he's in their left-hand turn lane, he's still there. So we'll go through the gears one more time. I mean, just a car you can go, take it to church, don't worry about it, break it down, don't have mama getting all mad at you because you won't run. It's just, this is one of the nicest cars we've ever had.
Love it.
So let's spin her around, put her up on the hoist.
All right.
Thanks, Nyla.
Thank you.